In this video, we're unboxing the 3/8" preset torque wrench tool. The set includes a 3/8" torque wrench, a pair of rubber gloves, and the instruction manual. Now let's go over the usage and precautions for the torque wrench. The torque wrench consists of the vernier scale on the handle and the main scale on the shaft. The main scale has two faces. The front is in Newton meters, and the back is in kilogram meters. To adjust, first loosen the rear locking collar. Once loosened, use the vernier scale on the handle to align with the main scale on the shaft. To set the desired torque value, to set the torque in kilogram meters, flip the torque wrench over and align the vernier scale with the kilogram scale on the back. After adjustment, lock the rear collar, and it's ready to use. The torque wrench features a ratchet mechanism at the head. Push the selector lever to the left for loosening and to the right for tightening. The ratchet head has a quick release button. Press the upper button to install a socket. Release it to lock the socket, and press it again to remove the socket. We'll use this bolt as an example. Use the torque wrench and rotate the handle to set the desired torque value. We want to torque this bolt to 8 Newton meters. Continue to torque to 8 Newton meters. First, check the scale on the shaft. This side is in Newton meters. Then rotate the vernier scale to the 3 marks and align it with the 5 marks on the main scale. The 5 mark is slightly above. 5 plus 3 equals 8 Newton meters. Once the torque is set, tighten the bolt. Move the upper selector lever to the right. That's the tightening direction, and tighten the bolt. When we feel a slight release and hear a click sound, the torque has been reached. After using the torque wrench, we need to rotate the handle back to the lowest torque setting. This releases tension on the internal spring and can extend the life of the tool.